only 5 points, boys. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Guys, no 3-point shot. If they go inside, they finish with a layup.
Si te empuja mucho, te pones por delante y te espabilas.
We have 4 fucking turnovers in just 5 minutes. 4 fucking turnovers.
You can be tired. Okay? You don't go to the open rebound. You go soft, and then you have a problem at the balance. So, muy importante que trabajéis antes. Do the previous job. It's a one-on-one. It's a transition defense. It's good. It's use fouls. It's know your personnel. It's get in the paint, kick, and finish. I don't need to play with this rhythm, this pace.
Against the layout, no problem. When we share the ball, we generate. And with the first 4 offenses one-on-one. No. Play, share the ball.
We don't need to play by ourselves. It's not our way. Play together, you know?